Dear students, page number 6, question number 4. Explain the observations from experiments on photoelectric effect. When number 1. When ultraviolet radiation was incident on emitter plate, current I was recorded, even if the intensity of radiation was very low. Photocurrent I was observed only if the frequency of incident radiation was more than the threshold frequency nu 0. Threshold frequency nu 0 is same for a given metal and is different for different metals used as the emitter. For a given frequency, nu is greater than nu 0. Even if there is a small intensity of radiation, the electrons were always emitted. Number 2. There was no time lag between the incidence of light and emission of electrons. That is, when incidence of light, then emission of electrons immediately present. Understand? Photocurrent started instantaneously, that is within 10 raised to minus 9 seconds after incident radiation, even if intensity of radiation was low. When the incident radiation was stopped, the flow of current stopped also. Number 3. Keeping the frequency nu of the incident radiation and accelerating potential phi fixed if the intensity was increased. The photocurrent increased linearly with intensity as shown in figure. See here page number 7. See here graph photoelectric current I on y-axis, on x-axis incident intensity of incident light. Figure 1. Photocurrent as a function of incident intensity for fixed incident frequency and accelerating potential. Number 4. Photocurrent I can be varied by changing the potential of the collector plate. Photocurrent depends on accelerating potential V between emitter and collector for given incident radiation. In bracket, intensity and frequency were fixed. Initially, the current increased with voltage but then remains constant. This current is called saturation current I0. See here, figure 2. Photocurrent as a function of accelerating potential for fixed incident frequency and different incident intensities. See here, accelerating potential on x-axis, here negative potential, that is retarding potential minus V0. Here low intensity I0 dash, I0 1, I0 2, I0 3, high intensity here. Figure 2. Photocurrent as a function of accelerating potential for fixed incident frequency and different incident intensities.